أو كالذي مر على قرية وهي حاوية على عروشها قال أن يحيي هذه الله بعد موتها فأماته الله 100 عام ثم بعثه قال كم لبثت قال لبثت يوما أو بعض يوم 6 قال بل لبثت 100 عام فانظر إلى طعامك وشرابك لم يتسنه وانظر إلى حمارك ولنجعلك آية للناس وانظر إلى العظام كيف ننشرها ثم نكسوها لحما فلما تبين له قال أعلم أن الله على كل شيء قدير.
Or like the one who passed by a town and it had tumbled over its roofs. He said, "Oh, how will Allah ever bring it to life after its death?" So Allah caused him to die for 100 years, then raised him up, again. He said, "How long did you remain dead?" He, the man, said, "Perhaps, I remained dead, a day or part of a day." He said, "Nay, you have remained dead for 100 years, look at your food and your drink. They show no change, and look at your donkey. And thus we have made of you a sign for the people. Look at the bones, how we bring them together and clothe them with flesh." When this was clearly shown to him, he said, "I know, now, that Allah is able to do all things." Al-Baqarah 2, 259.